how to download latest Realtek Bluetooth driver on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. First thing what you need to do is just head over to your favorite browser and simply search in for Realtek Bluetooth driver just like this. So once you search in for that, you can see at the top that is a official website of realtek.com. Simply tap on this, you can tap on it just like this, and once you're inside here, finally you can see there are two different versions available for different 32-bit and 64-bit, and all for Windows 7, 8.1 and 10 as well. So if you are using Windows 10, you must simply select any one of these and simply click on download to simply download, start downloading just like this, and wait for a few seconds. You also have to agree the terms and conditions and simply click on finally download the file. So if it asks you to enter a captcha, quickly fill it up just like this. So let me just quickly fill it up, and once your captcha is validated, your download will automatically start just like that. So as you can see, I have already successfully downloaded. Now we can simply install the file. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.